Do you want to create affiliate income from your blog articles? Do you want to promote your affiliate products without creating a website? Do you want to create a freebie that actually pays you? Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be difficult. However, it can be tedious. With affiliate marketing, you can make passive income when individuals purchase a product that you recommend. But it's difficult to source that affiliate link on demand for a specific article you're writing. Wouldn't it be nice to just have a simple database of all your affiliate products? You can reference them when you need to pull them for your articles, and you can promote them to your audience when they want it. Sounds like a dream, right? But then you get bogged down with questions like, how do I create an affiliate website? How the hell do I promote my affiliate products? How do I build landing pages? The list goes on and on. The one big problem that you face is the delivery of those affiliate links to your audience. How do I create an affiliate bank? Your ingredients. Grab my affiliate bank template. Get all your affiliate links. Get your affiliate product descriptions. Get any promo codes that direct specifically to you. Patience. You do this because if you use another person's promo code, even though a person used your link, the promo code can override your payout. Meaning, you don't get credit for the sale. In summary, I've showed you how to create an affiliate bank that allows you to promote your affiliate products without creating a fancy website.